Hi friends, welcome to Ftopreview.com. In this video, we're learning how to check how many applications or which applications is using your Windows mic. Okay, I'm using Windows 11 operating systems, and you can see the bottom right corner there is a symbol, that a mic symbol, and move that your cursor to that symbol, then you can see that pop-up microphone in use by NVIDIA Broadcast and OBS Studio. That means there is two softwares are using my microphones. First one is NVIDIA Broadcast and second one is OBS Studio. So in this way you can easily identify how many softwares are currently using your mic. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and you can click that uh, button, then you will get a detailed report how many applications are used, when they used. So you can see here DaVinci Resolve is to my mic on 0302 on 2026, and time is, you can see, is 11:50. So you can know that's other histories here, and you can also control other applications from here. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need a, and also you can simply click here to turn off microphone access. If you can click here, then it will be reject all of usage of this mic from any other softwares. So that's guys very simple tutorial, and if you need any kind of PC or Mac or Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch, understand it. And if you enjoy this fun, and if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.